Okay, people, we are here with the owner of the Jackon Kayaks, and we want to say hi. He wants to say hi to us, and tell us, come on.
Okay, hello amigos, Erick Jackson Kayak. Welcome to Tennessee. Team Mexico has arrived. We're very excited, so we hope Team Mexico has a great time. We've got a bunch of Jackon Kayaks here for people to use for the event. We're on Center Hill Lake. It's a great lake. Largemouth, smallmouth, spotted bass. We hope that Team Mexico catches a lot of big fish and has a great time out here.
Okay.
Excited to fish with you guys.
Yeah, well, please show us just this beauty.
Okay, so this is the mayfly. So this kayak here, this is a paddle-driven kayak, and it's a really exciting kayak. It's very simple. It's wide and stable, very easy to fish off of, easy to stand and fish. So it's stable for that. You can paddle it like a stand-up paddleboard, or when you're sitting down, you can paddle it like a, like a kayak. We've got there's lots of storage inside for tackle. Tackle can go right under here, so easy access. These are the foot braces. We're going to get them organized. We're just pulling it out of the bag and assembling it right now. So
this is the rigging room.
You can rest their feet.
We're rigging up. That's right.
Yeah.
Time to rig it up. I'm gonna do it like this.
Mexico here.
That's great, right? We love this model. We talked yesterday a lot about this.
Yeah.
About this one, because you can stand and.
Yeah, this is going to be a good boat for the lake. The lakes we're fishing on. It's really easy to paddle. It's fast, fast and stable. So it makes I don't know how much kayaking experience you have, but super fun. This is a super fun lake for kayak fishing on, and this is a great choice for your boat.
Of course.
So you just loosen this and you can slide.
Yeah.
So like I'm pretty short, so I would be about like this. Now check this out, the seat. Hey guys, did you mention that the seat goes high or low?
Yeah.
So check this out. This is how you move the seat. You pull this pin, and then now the seat you can put in the high position.
Okay.
So now you have a better view.
And you have a storage right just right down.
Lots of storage under there.
Lots of storage.
Lots of storage.
Great visibility. Great price.
Exactly. So real easy to put. So yeah, you've got So here you can pull this out. So you've got stuff, and you can push it back out of the way. And then these, you'll just tighten this when you get the position you like, so that the seat doesn't slide anymore. And here, try it.
Oh, well, we want to try it. Oh,
Get in.
I already know it's a great kayak. And this is just one.
Okay, these are for, so just keep it all.
What's that?
This is extra piece for the drive.
Bueno, eso es lo que nos quiere platicar ahorita el señor Jackon. Ya viene de vuelta para acá, nos va a seguir explicando un poquito de las ventajas que tiene el kayak y sobre todo que está apoyando a la selección mexicana. Eso es muy importante porque no nos van a prestar los kayaks, o sea, eso es algo muy importante ya que necesitamos el apoyo de los patrocinadores. Por supuesto agradecerles a los que se involucraron como Miyagi Baits, como Del Tostadón, Mega Refrigeración, Piensa Seguro, por ahí Culebra, Caltech, Vixa Refrigeración, Cryo, Siste, Strike Tegic, claro que sí, pues de hecho ayer salieron unos golones con Strike Tegic, Médica Kinesio y bueno, sobre todo a todos aquellos que también con sus buenas vibras nos ayudan. Mega Refrigeración también se me hace que ya lo mencioné. Y bueno, estamos transmitiendo acá desde la ciudad de Tennessee, pero sí es impresionante el apoyo que nos está dando la gente de Jackon Kayaks. porque nos van a prestar sin ningún interés comercial los equipos para poder probarlos. Y este es uno de los kayaks más impresionantes que tiene, sobre todo también por el precio, que no es un costo muy exagerado, está alrededor de $1,200, $1,300, pero sobre todo también la estabilidad y pues bueno, vamos a seguir aquí. Ahorita vamos a platicar con los demás elementos de ahí del Team USA y pues bueno, agradecer a toda la gente que nos sigue en el canal y aquí vamos a seguir transmitiendo en vivo, aunque aquí viene Erick de nuevo, va a terminar de platicarnos acerca de el kayak. Erick, bueno, ya vamos a despedir primero esa parte.
Wow. We're videoing each other. Hi guys.
I want to say thanks.